Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your laptop OS and current Skype version so you know which update path to follow. Once done, back up important chat history or export conversation files in case of interruptions. This protects data. Now open Skype from the Start menu or Applications folder and sign in if prompted. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and at least 20% battery or the charger connected before proceeding to downloads and installer steps. Next, check for updates inside Skype via Help, then check for updates to trigger the built-in updater. This is the quickest route. If that option fails, download the latest installer matching your OS from Skype's official source. Choose 64-bit if your system supports it. Close background apps to free RAM and avoid conflicts, then run the installer. Follow on-screen prompts, accept permissions, and allow the installer to replace files. This ensures the new version installs cleanly and retains your settings. Finally, restart Skype and sign back in to let the app finalize migrations and sync settings. This step activates new features. Then confirm the update by checking the version number and settings under About, verify release notes if needed. If something goes wrong, try reinstalling. Uninstall Skype, clear its cache or app data, then run the installer again. If problems persist, reboot your laptop and retry. This simple restart often clears locked files and allows a successful installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.